In the charming village of Playville, laughter echoed through the air. Today felt special. A discovery awaited. Excitement bubbled in a spirited heart. An ancient map revealed a path to the legendary friendship treasure. "This way is best," declared the adventurous soul. "No, this one," insisted the thoughtful friend. Arguments swirled like autumn leaves. The journey took a turn. Each wandered alone, convinced that their path was the right one. Silence filled the woods around them. A challenge arose, the river roared. Alone, a brave heart wobbled, arms flailing as a splash echoed in the quiet. High above, an ambitious spirit climbed. The rocks felt heavy, each step harder without a friend beside to cheer. The shadows grew long. "Where am I?" whispered the wanderer. Fear gripped tightly like the thorns around. Hearts raced as they found each other. "We need to work together," exclaimed the courageous one. Together, they felt stronger. Ideas blossomed. With laughter and patience, they combined their plans, ready to tackle every obstacle in their way. At last, they unveiled the treasure. A chest gleamed, nestled among the roots. Their hearts thudded with anticipation. Suddenly, wisdom swooped in. The old owl hooted softly. "The real treasure lies not in gold, but in the friends beside you." They smiled, understanding the truth. Laughter echoed, and as they walked home, they knew they would cherish this bond forever.